Right, hopefully this doesn't suck. Right, first step, I'm gonna wet my hair and then comb it to the side, and then I'll have clear indications of where I'm gonna start with. Yeah, just enough to like comb it out of the way. Go like maybe like there, across, you know what I mean? I can't see what I'm doing, wait, hold on. I'm so bad at this, but I feel like if I do this bit first and then I work around, it might be a bit better than the disaster that it started with. Right. Need to like chop these bits off here. Is that about it? Mm-hmm. So I need to just cut it.
Yeah.
Damn! People are gonna laugh at me. It's gotta be done though.
Okay, wait.
Oh, the hair is going everywhere. This is a DIY fade if you've ever seen one before. That bit like goes into that like that, mix it up.
Yeah, you should do that on the other side as well. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, that actually looks really good.
Started
I mean,
out as a disaster. Look at that, it's looking well.
Obviously, you need to do it back here as well, but I wouldn't touch that for now. You need to carry it on around the back though.
How many times do you want to cut the back?
Yeah, okay.
It's gonna be short, so loads of my blondes go off.
Okay, I'd do the back now.
Alright.
I think that looks good.
No, I'm literally just gonna go this short here.
All the way around, but in a straight line.
A straight line.
So I can tell you if it's a bit wonky.
There we go.
I think it looks good from the back.
Do the line first.
Right, I'd go a bit higher.
Go higher.
There, because that's where you did the original line. Yeah, that's fine. Although that's not really a straight line, but you can come back to it. I can always clean it up for you. Like, you do it, and then if there's a couple of bits that are a bit... I get what you mean now. Now I'm watching you do it. But I was just so afraid of, like, you hating it being that short.
I can't actually see that side that well.
You need to go lower. That's it. They were so itchy. That's it, they go any higher. You've missed a massive chunk here.
Can you get it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
Hang
now
on.
get it. Ah, be careful, that's really
Oh,
sharp.
sorry, I forgot. Sorry. I
It's
forgot how
really
sharp
sharp.
it was.
Great work, Hollie.
You haven't done this side, remember, at all.
Yeah, I'll get to that. Working my way around.
No, but the back, like, it's not fading.
It
right?
is fading, but there's a lot of like excess stuff, so you can't see the fade. See
Okay,
when I
do you
pull
want
it
me
up,
to do the back then?
Well, like the cutting.
Yeah. Oh my god. So I think that's enough around here.
Yeah.
The left side. But then you haven't cut the left side yet, so.
Yeah. See, when you shave it, like it gets rid of the bottom bit, but then you have to use scissors to cut rid of the top bit.
That's okay.
How's it looking? Is it okay?
It looks okay. It doesn't look fab, but it doesn't look really bad.
That side looks alright.
Yeah, try and get the same effect on the other side.
Some more of the razor as well on the other side.
Yeah. Yeah, you did, to be fair. You did a lot of razor before you cut it, so I guess maybe go back to the razor.
Yeah. God, I can't tell like what way the scissors are facing. When I was cutting your hair, it was like, you gotta do tiny, tiny snips. We might as well.
It's good. It's actually quite good. Like your hair's quite shaggy looking almost.
Thanks.
No, like in a good way.
It's walking from that angle. Hey. Not really.
Not really, bitch. Oh my god, there's so much.
I know, look how much hair there is. Jeez. It's been an absolute abolishment.
I did,
okay.
yeah. Right, I did a good job then.
That's it, and they get the scissors and they go for that bit. And it will reveal what you've just done. You need to take a little bit more for that, because that's like a sudden jump.
It's honestly, it's not.
It is. You know what? I don't think it actually looks that half bad.
This side looks better.
Oh, okay. I can't even see the other side.
It doesn't look awful.
I think it looks alright, you know. I can't see this side though. This one side.
Wait, can you just sit there for a second so I can... Yeah, it don't look like, it doesn't look awful. It looks, I think you gave it a good go.
Right, so I'm gonna have a shower and then we'll have the final look. Alright, so here we go, the finished product. This is it. You ready? Here we go. It looks okay. Obviously nowhere near as good as if you got it done at like a hairdresser's. But I think it looks alright. What do you think, Hollie? Do you like it?
Some of it looks good, some of it looks not so good.
I agree. There you go, guys. If you guys want to cut your hair, you can. It's just way harder if you're crap at cutting hair. That's pretty much it. Leave a like. Love you. Goodbye.